Fantastic. Okay, now we're going to bring this in here carefully. And we're going to flip around. And we're going to do the same pattern. We'll use long loops, but you're going to do the same pattern facing front. So you'll have the straps in your hands. Walk yourself carefully forward. And then tuck your toes under up against the shoulder rest carefully. And have long loops this time. You can use a secret hidden loops or just the regular loops. And then get used to this a little bit. Here we go. We are going to cross punch and round. And then you reach your arms out and up. Splay open and reach. Cross punch and round. And splay open and reach. And again, it's quite a bit of ab work. Cross punch and round. You want to keep the straps around your forearm so they don't go up onto your elbows. And cross punch and round. Splay open and reach. One more time each side. Cross punch and round. Splay open and reach. And other side. Cross punch and round. Splay open and reach. All right, let's bring it in. I'm going to walk myself a little bit forward. I'm a little smashed up against the shoulder rest here. Now we're going to do the other pattern. We are going to cross our elbows and arch, and then press down and fold. And cross the elbows and arch, and press down and fold. And again, cross the elbows and arch. I keep hitting the mic. Press and fold. Hopefully you won't do that at home. And cross the elbows and arch, and press and fold. One more round each side. Cross the elbows and arch, and press and fold. And cross the elbows and arch, and press and fold. Good. Let's do some punches now. So you're gonna bring your arms up, elbows are in, press the hips forward, shoulders are down, and we're gonna just punch one arm forward, and then change the other arm forward, and change, and one arm, the other arm. You can flip your grip as you press out, and press. One more set slow, press. And now we're gonna go a little quicker. Here we go. 2, and a 2, 3, and a 3, 4, and a 4, and 5, and 5. All right, now we're gonna add a rotation. So you're gonna cross punch and twist, return, cross punch and twist, return, cross punch and twist, return, cross punch and twist. One more slow, cross punch and twist, and cross punch and twist. Let's speed it up. A 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. Woo, quite the workout. Okay, let's go ahead, take these into one hand, carefully twist around. We're gonna do some side arms now. We're gonna do semaphore and then rainbows. So we're gonna try and be on our knees again. And you're doing your best to keep your pelvis right up over your hips. Reach down, and we're again gonna use the long straps. You're gonna take one hand, we're gonna do short straps. You're gonna take one hand and bring it down onto the shoulder rest, and then the other arm is gonna come up overhead. Press the hips forward, stabilize the shoulder, press it out, and bend it in. And on the way in, you're gonna feel the tension on your bottom hand. Press it out, and bring it in. 3, and in, 4, bend it in one more time this way, reach, and bend it in. Okay, now we're gonna come up a little bit and reach the hand down and do some rainbows. So you're gonna reach out, this arm goes down as this arm comes up on the diagonal. And then reach and come back down. Up and over, draw a nice beautiful rainbow. Up and down. This is 3. Up and over, up and down. 4, one more. Up and over, and up and down. 5. Okay, now we get to flip around the other side. So, you don't have to put these straps down. You can if you want, but you're just gonna flip nice and easy. And I like to be just a little bit away from the shoulder rest. And then you're gonna grab on to your shoulder rest and bring this arm up overhead. Again, pressing the hips forward the best you can, looking down to your hand. Straighten and bend. 2 and bend. 3 and bend the elbow. 4, and you're trying to keep your elbow relatively still in space right now. 5 and bend. Now we're gonna come up and do a nice big rainbow. So this arm comes up and over, and then you dip side, and then up and back down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. 2 more. 4, up and down. Last one. 5, up and down. Good. Take a break. Let's put our straps down here. And go ahead and take a little rest.